Mami, kids agad naman.
We're currently in... Ha, give me money, give me Nagbubukas sila naman pag sinabi kong give me money. Naghahanap buhay lang yung tao.
Ay, give me money, give me money.
Ano kaya yung gusto ko yun?
Nakapagod naman kasi. Iyot na kayo, sabi naman yung tata.
Ano sabi niya?
Iyot na kayo.
Sabi niya?
Sabi na.
Give me money, give me money.
Yun na po kasi. Sige po.
Ay.
Wala yung account na no.
Siyempre, bigat dadya yun.
Give me money, give me
Give me money. Ano pag give me money, give me money?
Hindi na next ano, give me money, give me money. Is kayo na mag-next. Kayo na mag-next. Ikaw na mag-next. Ano yung give me money?
Give me money.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, Bibbo. You alright, Bibbo?
Hindi.
Hi, babe.
Bye, Bo.
Bye.
What do I say your name?
What?
How do I say your name? What is it? Bye, Bo.
How do I say your name daw?
Cute.
Me boss.
Yes,
Me
yes.
boss your toy.
Baboy titoy daw.
Ay, yeah.
Ah, yeah, that's
That
that means pretty.
Pretty nice.
Pretty face.
That means pretty.
Pretty face. You know.
That,
Yeah.
that means pretty face.
Yeah, I couldn't see your face.
You can't see my face.
Yeah, I'd like to see it. Because you see, I can't see my face. Oh, where are you? Oh, you're with the dog. Is that a dog?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's my dog.
what's the breed of your dog?
Pangit ba? Pangit ba?
Sabi ko, give me money, give me
It's
money.
a shepherd.
Nahihiya ako. Hindi ko Ang hirap pala kumita ng pera.
Give me money.
Give me money. Do you have money? Like this.
Yeah, I'm very rich.
You're rich, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're kind of poor. So poor.
You're poor.
Yeah.
Give
We're
me money.
poor.
Why do you not go? Do you not go to work?
I'm still studying. How could I get a work?
Well, then you study and then you can get a job, innit?
Yeah, but I don't have money now.
Give me
Give me now.
Well, I mean, who's that next to you?
Who's next to me? What?
Who's that next to you? Is that your study mate?
Yeah, he's my study mate. Come show your face. He's my study mate. He looks nice.
Is he got any money?
He doesn't give me money. He doesn't have money either.
Oh no.
Yeah, we're kind of poor now.
That's- where are you from? You're Philippines.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're in Manila. We're in Manila.
Tapos na pas pala tayo. No?
How much would £100 do for you?
How much is the 100 pound?
I don't know.
I don't know because I'm not good in math. I don't know much.
Work it out. How much is £100 in Philippines?
Search it. How much pound in Philippines? I don't know. 1 pound in peso? Small only. Do you work?
Yeah, I'm an electrician.
Wow, you're a engineer?
Yeah.
You're an engineer. Do you have a wife?
No.
Oh, why not? Can he be your wife? You don't work.
No.
Why not?
Get idea.
Can I be your...
Because I'm-
Video na talaga din.
Because I'm straight.
Oh, you're straight. I'm straight too.
Pounds? Meron ba pounds?
Yeah, your money is pounds.
pounds.
Yeah. Oh, that would cost, that would be
7,000.
7,315 in peso.
Wait, is that a lot of money?
That would be enough.
Is that a lot of money?
It's enough. Yeah, it would be enough.
Could you do with what could you do with that?
Of course, I needed to pay for my rent, for my boarding, because I'm studying right now. We don't have rice.
Yeah.
Foods.
Rice and food, you know? It's hard to
We're
study when
starving.
you're starving.
Yeah. I understand that.
Yeah.
So how would I send you? How would I send you £100?
Well, oh.
Hindi ko alam.
You can send it on my account.
What? PayPal?
PayPal. We can have PayPal.
We don't have PayPal. You have GCash? What's the other way around?
You have a bank?
I don't have bank account.
We will have I will have a bank. Don't.
You have?
Yeah, I have.
Bakit?
Or I can send you 1 Bitcoin.
What, 1 Bitcoin?
Yes.
How much is that?
Maybe you're just playing around.
No, I can show you my house. I have a mansion.
Let me see.
Let me see.
The next time yan. O, Koreano.
Hi.
Hi. Sinitch ko pa yung 7,350.
Ano yun?
Hi, Anyong. Do you understand English?
No English.
No English?
Why?
Can you speak Korean?
No?
I like your hair.
You know Ryan Bang? Ryan Bang. Ryan Bang? Ryan Bang. Sino naman yung babae? Sino yung babae na...
Yung babae.
Si Ryan Bang. Ang pangalan yung babae na na artista sa Philippines.
You cutie.
Song Joong Ki? You know Song Joong Ki?
Next na.
Guys na lang, matutulog na tayo. Akin babae yan.
Mamaya ako. Oh. The next na. United States. Maraming just learn.
Hello?
No,
I'm good. How about you?
good. Just bored.
Yeah, you're bored. What time is it in there now? You're bored?
Ursula.
Tawag?
Bali.
Akala ko matutulog na kayo. Kapal naman ang kala ko yun. Nagtago pa kaganda-ganda.
Kumakain pagkain. Ano?
Spanish, Espanyol. Hello, sir.
Hola.
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 You speak in Spanish, in Philippine, in English? You understand? No.
In English a little.
A little only. Where are-
Batak.
Ano in Barcelona? Sabi ko.
Tago pa siya nila. Sa kagwapuhan.
Kaya nga, ang pila naman. Pugit.
Oy.
Filipino naman yun.
Anong trabaho niyo, sir? Okay, sir. Ingat po. Call center lang.
Person. Abubak hair.
Abobok hair. Abok hair. Oh, that's good. That's good. Kaya pa nag-next eye ko na yun.
Makakita ka na naman si Kili ko dyan.
Last na to, promise mo. Sila na. I think it's done with me.
Ayoko na yun.
Oh my God.
Ayun
no,
yung
it's
mga
so-
sundalo ka dyan, ate ko. Ayoko yan. Ayoko yan.
Ismit ko si Percy. Paulit-ulit naman na to. Ano na ba tayo?
Yung
Tayo na lang
Amerikano
tayo
naman
dito.
sa-
Gawin tayo ni GC. And then,
Wala bang Amerikano dyan?
ganda pa ng lighting natin.
Kaya nga. Mahirap ka lang sa
Ay,
dito.
mamaya.
Yes, CBN. Hi!
Hi. Hello po. Anong trabaho niyo?
Anong work niyo po?
Anong work niyo po?
Kami? We're not yet working.
We're
We're...
reviewing for the board exam.
Where are you from?
So, Will?
Kuya Will?
Cavite, okay.
Kala ko kayo Kuya Will.
Ano?
You don't have a
can see
camera.
yeah. Madilim siya.
Eh. Niliwanagan nyo namin eh.
Sitsugan namin. Mami, ano naman ginagawa niya, Mami? Let's watch me na, Mami.
What are you doing? That's so gross. Oh my gosh. Parang natutuwa yung eyes mo.
Hindi ko nakikita. Ipaurang po.
Move a little.
We can see. We can see the penis. Move a little more. Go down.
You cannot see.
We can assess how big it is.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, next. Continue this much. Continue lang.
Cannot see anything at all.
Where's your dick? Dickability. Pangit mo?
Ano na naman ata yan na naman yun. Makaganiran naman yan.
Hindi.
Yan ba yun?
Ang hirap pag next.
Ibig sabihin wala na.
Continue.
Tutulog lang po ako, mamaya na lang.
Okay, bye-bye.
Tulog, makita ka na damdamay tag. Next na ka.
Sir Lamar.
Hi, baby.
Hi, hello. What? I cannot see your face. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Ang hirap kumita ng pera. Hi. Hello. I'm good. What are you eating? What are you eating? What is that? Rice.
Good night.
Good night. Tapos na po ang pagtatrabaho na. So, what are we doing now?
It's ugly.
We're,
Oh,
so,
yes,
Soriano is
yes.
looking for his loved one in some dating application, right?
Yeah.
And there's a lot of guys showing sensitive activities that should not be sent on Facebook or on online. Next, he's not showing his face. Soriano's looking for a lover.
Ay, Mami, no, he's typing.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Oh, you like that?
No, I don't like that.
It's so, ang pangit. It looks like matanda. Nice.
I don't like
It's a girl.
babae.
I
I
like
don't
girl.
like babae.
We don't like girls.
Soriano doesn't like that.
Sorry,
Sergey
baby.
Bin.
Wala siyang video.
Yeah. Sino yung Joe?
Mag-jowa
No.
kayo. No, we're friends.
We're friends. You're not showing off your your feet,
po.
your face. Where's your face?
I think teacher siya.
Ay, kasi it's sir.
Sir Gaben.
Yeah. Are you a teacher? Sir? How are you related to the vlogger, Sir Gavin?
Cute niyo po. Parang couple. No,
We're not couples.
We're looking for our
We're
partner.
looking for our partners. For our coupling couples.
Is, ito inig sa natin.
Oo nga, he's not showing his face naman.
Ayan, Switzerland. Oh,
I don't like that. Hi! Are you from Morocco also? I said, I don't like it. kasi-
Myanmar. Hi, siya.
Hi! I cannot see your face. It's a girl.
Is it real ba? Switzerland. Wala ka naman. Oh,
Ayoko yun. Ayoko yun. Parang nagpatrabaho yun sa construction worker.
Same tayo yung iniisip. Ay, so, talaga natin. Ayan, pati yan, para kasama niya
Hindi
sa
naman
test.
construction worker din yan. Is busy leopard. Ay, Miss Asandalo.
Sandalo ba?
Oh, you have to show off your face now. Mami ko. Let me show your face too. Hi!
Hi.
Where are you from? Are you soldiers?
Yeah, tara na.
Edivab. From Edivab.
From?
From? Let me show your face.
From Zubik Bay.
Ah.
Region 5. Region 6. Region 7.
Anyone from region 2?
How's typhoon going in there? Is there a typhoon in there?
Kaya sinasalubong namin.
Oh.
Monitor lang namin.
You're monitoring it. It's your work over there. Is Subic good?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're swimming a lot. Like 5 miles.
Ano na?
They're receiving a lot now.
Ah,
How about the tourism in there now with the typhoon going on?
Just a little bit of rain.
Ah.
For disaster.
Just a little.
Wait for disaster. Rain.
Mm,
A little bit.
okay.
parang titingnan sa likod.
Okay. My friend kinda like the guy at the back.
Kapagod talaga to.
This one.
Yeah.
Wait.
His name is... What is his name? Come on, show your face.
Malaki.
Mami,
No.
next one.
What's your name again? My friend likes you. It's kind of he kind of find you cute. My friend, not me. Mommy, come on. What?
25 years old.
25 years. Mommy, come on. Show. They're not gonna
Next
know
na
you.
natin.
Okay, yeah, goodbye. My friend's kind of shy. Over here. Mommy.
Next one na yun.
So arty.
Duwende. Ay!
You don't look like a duende. You're Jessica. You're a cat.
Naggaling.
Kasi,
Uy.
ayoko yun.
Yo.
Nasa likod.
Java.
Parang drug-addict naman yun.
Parang ano na mag ay, so Korean naman.
Shishan yun.
Anyong!
Ano? Hi! Hindi natin alam mag-Korean. I-shake mo na
Ang
ba?
pangit niya. Ayan, medyo cute.
Ah.
Papa. Papa. James na Papa. Can you speak English?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
of course, we know how to speak in English.
We're not Filipinos for nothing.
Kasi nagpa-practice kami isang papang we.
Okay.
Kaklase ko siya.
Akala ko, daddy.
Sa klase ko.
Ah.
Akala ko ay sugar daddy.
That's your father.
Guys, ang pangit nila sa yung oras natin.
Ah, po gimamit ko.
O, taga saan yan? O, Oman.
No, English speaking only. Hi! Ay,
Wala
nothing,
pa.
not yet.
Ayan, mami.
Hi! Hi, sir. How are you, sir?
Chillax ka niya. Sophie, that's girl.
Hi!
Ay ka muna.
Ah, hello!
Hello po.
Hi.
United Kingdom, ayan na. Man, hanggang kagad.
Hi! Hello? You're from UK?
Great Britain.
Great Britain? The London?
Couples? No, we're friends.
No, we're not couples. We're not here if we're couples. If we're couples, we're not here.
Friends, yes.
Yeah. We're looking for... He's looking for a lover.
Nice.
Where's your face?
8 minutes. Wait.
No. Friends with benefits? No, not like that. You're thinking the other way.
Is he? Heart, heart, heart.
I don't understand the heart, heart, heart.
Oh, United Kingdom ulit. Okay.
Hi! Baka he's in bed na nakakatakot na naman. yung
Confirmation tattoo.
Sabi niyo, magtutulog na kayo. Liars! Motherfuckers.
Ay, no, nakakahiya.
Sabi niya pa totoo. Hi! Ay, wala.
Dangerous.
Yung nakakatawa doon.
Sensor yan.
Tignan mo yung gusto mo. Hi! Oh. I can hear my voice. Why is it like that? Baka naman ano yung boses ko.
Next mo na. Oh, sits na.
Matanda na yun, ayoko yun. Matanda na yun, ayoko yun.
Gusto ba yung pera?
Ayoko na, matanda na yun ako. Matanda na. Ala, nakakahiya tayo kanina.
Naulit na naman ata.
Ayoko yun.
Wala, parang ulit na naman siya eh.
Ayoko yun. Nakakahiya tayo.
Japan, mami. Saranghe.
Sarang yun. Hi, do you speak in English?
Yeah,
Oh, how old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Oh, you look young. 24? Really? Do you know Ryan Bang? Ay.
Ryan?
Yung Ryan Bang.
Dapat hindi pa siya ginanon.
Hindi ko naman alam na hindi pala siya Hapon si Ryan Bang. Korean pala siya. Ayoko yun. Matanda na yun. Isawa na yan.
Bani mo, police general.
Isawa na yan. Mami, baka makita mo na naman si ano.
Di ano.
Kaya kanina.
John Paul yung pangalan niya. Sabihin mong John Paul ang pangalan niya. Tama.
Nakakahiya tayo.
Kaya nga. Naulit siya.
Sabi niya na gano'n eh.
Paalam namin kanina matulog na kami.
Mami ko pa.
Sir Gaben, ito na naman.
Mami,
Ay, South Korea.
hindi nag-English to. Banggawayo. It's a Banggawayo?
May ano kasi dito, may part. Ay, ang cute.
Hi. How old are you? Can you hear me? Us?
Ang cute niya.
You don't talk much. Tawagin naman ito, mami ko. Ito na to.
I'm 19.
You're 19. You're so young.
Why? Ilan taon ba kayo?
I'm
20.
20 pa lang. 20 last 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 22. Ano? Are you studying or ano?
Actually,
No?
Actually.
na-drop ako
Hello.
this Monday.
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 Kapon.
Why? If you don't mind. Vape. Well, as nursing student, that's not really good for your health. Mommy, share more.
I know.
Well, if that will relieve your stress, then why not? Pero what?
Actually, hindi naman siya stress reliever
Ay,
for me.
mami matalong. Okay.
Ano lang, naisip ay ano.
Sabay.
Anong course mo?
Guess.
Guess. Guess. Engineer? Cream? Pol-sci? Medtech?
Cream? Cream? Cream?
Architecture.
Parang bobo ko doon Sorry Arki.
About, bigyan ko kayo ng clue. Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Business management?
Accountancy.
Malapit.
Pwede ba?
Malapit na daw.
Accountancy.
Accountancy?
Actually, hindi siya malapit, pero connected siya sa
Business management. Financial management. I'm almost
Hindi nga siya
there.
malapit. Pero connected.
Entrepreneurship. Search mo na. Ayaw tayo dito. Ikaw na lang magsabi kasi we kinda don't know how to guess much. Pero,
Ano yun? Ito, alam niyo na to.
Mm.
About exploring the world.
scientist.
Scientist!
Tourism.
Exploring, sabi niya. Tourism.
Connected yung tourism.
Ano?
Business
Sobrang,
tourism.
sobrang, sobrang,
Tourism.
Hospitality management.
yeah.
Ang galing ko doon. You gotta give me a point on that.
Actually, ano? Ano pa? Actually,
Accessory lang to.
Ang kukunin ko is, hospitality and tourism management.
What made it different from hospitality management alone?
I don't know.
Ay, gaming ganyan sa
Siguro,
kabagan, HTM.
hospitality and tourism management is my bachelor of blah blah blah.
Ano yun, suspended or dropped out? Tang talaga.
Sure pa.
Dropped out. Then do you plan to go back? Or do you plan to get another course?
Di pa naman ako college.
Hindi pa ba? 19?
Nag-stop ako ng 1 year.
Saan ka?
Sa bahay.
Hindi, I mean, Philip, what part? I mean, what part of the Luzon? Visayas, Mindanao? I don't know.
Sa gitna.
Visayas.
Visayas, Cebu,
Gitna nga, Visayas. Ganyan.
Central Luzon.
Central Luzon. Ako kasi magaling sa geography.
Ano na yun sa Central Luzon?
Central Luzon.
Wait. Kayo muna. Kayo muna.
Oh.
Since kayo yung nagtanong, kayo muna.
We're from, Isabela. Do you know where Isabela is?
Yeah. Kapag, alam mo?
Yes, of course. We passed by that place. He is. Sariana ba siya? He's from Kabagan.
Ganyan.
Ha?
C-A-B-A-G-A-N.
C-A.
B-A.
BA, Kabagan.
Oo nga, Kabagan. Kabagan, Isabela. Oo, kasi nagjo-duty kami doon noon.
This... Ano ba? Ayoko maging rude. Di rin naman ako anti. Blah, blah, blah.
Para siyang si Kabagan.
Ano prefer mo? Ate or kuya?
Ano gusto mo?
Ako? Oo, kuya.
Kuya. Kuya sa kanya.
Kuya. Can I ask? Can I ask?
Yeah, you may.
Pero ka bang Agneta, Andrea, Tarong?
Tarun. Tarun. Taga ano nga siya?
Taga Kabagan.
Taga Kabagan nga yun. Kasi yung last name niya, may classmate kami na doon din siya.
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Pero hindi kami hindi namin kilala. Pero taga doon nga talaga siya. Parang yung last name nila na galing doon.
Nag-crush no? Pero I'm from Bulacan.
Ay, Kayla? Hindi, taga ka yung jowa ni Kayla.
Batangas?
Ay, Batangas po. Okay.
Malapit sa Manila.
Sila Lars Pacheco.
Like 2 hours away.
Pero just finish high school. Senior high school.
No, grade 12 ako.
Now. Why are you here? Why are you here?
Kasi,
Why are you in Azar?
Sorry.
Why are you in Azar? What made you go here?
kasi wala akong pasok bukas kasi nag-drop out ako. So, wala akong magawa.
Okay.
Hindi mo na yung Instagram. I-follow mo na.
Anong Instagram mo?
Bakit?
Ipa-follow ka niya.
Ikaw?
Ikaw?
Ano?
Ay, oo. Nagtuturuan kayo.
Ako na lang.
Ano? Crazy. Or, tsaka Ishi.
I-chat. Ay, isulat mo.
Nothing. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna show off his mommy. I don't know if it's that part, his body.
It's your face, girl.
Where's your face? I can't see you. Mommy, what? Mommy, that's hair naman nata. Oh, mommy ko. That's not good. That's not good, mommy ko.
Let's say your head. Sabi mo.
Huh?
Your head.
Mommy, it's so gross na. Nahihiya na ako. Oh my God! Ala, hindi ko na kaya yan.
I-chat